Hey there, virtual reality enthusiasts. If you're looking to take your Oculus Quest 2 experience to the next level, then you definitely need to check out these accessories for Oculus Quest 2 Cable Link Smart 3D Virtual Reality VR Glasses USB-A to Type-C 3.5mm Headset Oculis Helmet. This VR fast charging cable is a game changer. With high-speed data transmission and fast charging designs, you'll be able to spend less time waiting and more time playing. The 90-degree connector design ensures that your cable ends will stay protected from any potential damage, and the lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry in your bag when you're on the go. But that's not all. This charging cord features an impressive 16-foot length, giving you plenty of room to move around while you're immersed in your virtual world. And the best part? It's designed specifically as a replacement for Oculus Quest/for Quest 2, so you can be sure it's perfectly compatible with your device. So why settle for a subpar charging cable when you could be experiencing the ultimate VR gaming experience with this top-notch VR data line? Don't miss out on the opportunity to level up your virtual reality setup. Click the link in the description to get your hands on accessories for Oculus Quest 2 Cable Link Smart 3D Virtual Reality VR Glasses USB-A to Type-C 3.5mm Headset Oculis Helmet today.